The Corry Climax and Corsets Innovation and Arts Festival celebrates Corry's legacy of industry and innovation. I'm Chuck Gray and I'm Executive Director at Impact Corry.
And I'm Wendy Neckers and I am President of the Downtown Corry Business Association, an artist, and the owner of Paint and Finch Gallery and Epiphany's Emporium.
Corry, Pennsylvania sprung up overnight where two railroad lines crossed. Climax locomotives had an incredible design feature that made them wanted all over the world. And NuBone Corsets, they developed a new stay that made them so much in demand, the government actually built us a post office to accommodate the load. That was the leading edge of business, and it brought innovators and artists and people who made things to Corry, and that was our history. We are looking to the future, and we want to continue to be that.
Absolutely. This used to be a home full of inventors and creative people who created solutions for problems. And we'd like to see that happen again.
Exactly. So the Innovation and Arts Festival every year will issue a design challenge. This year it's the bench. Submissions will be due October 29th.
And the awards will be given out on November 5th.
Winning entries will receive $500 and get to work with the community to build their benches that will be unveiled at the second annual Arts and Innovation Festival, first Friday next August 2022.
We are so looking forward to seeing what your designs will be and how you will present the concepts that we're looking for.
The lights are on in Corry for artists and innovators who want to help us imagine our future. The Corry Climax and Corsets Innovation and Arts Design Challenges and Festival, transforming our rural community by supporting dreamers and doers who revolutionize our lives and help us all to thrive.